what you're thinking. Why is that incredibly handsome hedgehog being chased by a madman with a mustache from the Civil War? Well, to be honest, it feels like I've been running my whole life. Is this too much? Am I going too fast? It's kind of what I do. You know what? Let's back up. This is the island where I'm from. It had everything. Sandy beaches, cascading waterfalls, public access to loop-de-loops. And I never had to catch a school bus because I could run across the entire island in less than 2 seconds. Also, there was no school. I know, pretty sweet island, right? I was born with extraordinary powers and was told to keep them secret. And like any kid, I did the exact opposite. That's Longclaw. She took care of me. She was basically Obi-Wan Kenobi, if Obi-Wan Kenobi had a beak and ate mice.
Sonic, someone could have seen you.
No one saw me. I'm too fast. And I wanted to bring you this. Get down!
Turns out with great power comes great power-hungry bad guys. And I led them right to us.
Listen carefully, Sonic. You have a power unlike anything I have ever seen. And that means someone will always want it. The only way to stay safe is to stay hidden. This world is on the far side of the universe. You should be safe there.
I don't want to go without you.
You must. These rings will be your most important possession. If you're ever discovered, use one. Never stop running. Now go! Goodbye, Sonic.